In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a default template for a section. If you build similar pages over and over, setting a default template can save you time and keep everything consistent. The idea is simple. You design a page once, then tell the app to use that layout automatically for every new page you create in a specific section. Start by opening the section where you want this to apply, and create a fresh page. This page will become your blueprint, so take a moment to design it exactly how you want new pages to look. Add your standard headings, placeholder text, checklists, tables, or images you use regularly. Align elements the way you like, set your preferred fonts and sizes, and place any instructional notes or sample items you want to appear every time. Keep placeholders clear. Labels like title, date, or notes work well. And avoid putting in content you wouldn't want duplicated on every new page. If you rely on visual cues, include spacing, dividers, or a simple banner image to create structure. The cleaner and more intentional this page is, the better your template will serve you later. Once your page looks right, go to the Insert tab at the top. Click Page Templates, then select Page Templates to open the task pane. You should see a panel appear, typically on the right side of your screen. If it doesn't pop up, make sure you clicked the Page Templates option under Insert and that you're still on the page you just designed. Now it's time to save and set it as the default. At the bottom of the pane, click Save Current Page as a template. Give your template a clear, memorable name, something that tells you what it's for at a glance. Before you confirm, ensure the box labeled Set as Default Template for New Pages in the Current section is checked. This is the key step. With that box selected, every new page you create in this section will start with your design. Keep in mind, this setting affects only the current section. Other sections can have their own defaults, and existing pages won't change. The template applies only to new pages you add from now on. That's it. You've created a reusable, consistent foundation for your notes or documents in this section, so you can focus on content rather than layout each time. If your workflow evolves later, you can return to the same pane to save an updated version with a new name and use that instead.